Your confidence will offend somebody's insecurities. Your happiness will offend somebody who's sad. Your courageousness, your braveness will offend somebody who is scary or shy or very meek like. You got to understand that your light will offend somebody's demons. That's just the rules of the game. That's just how the story goes. So never mind them. Never mind who you offend. Keep authentically shining, radiantly bright, because you are a star. And if they don't understand that, that's their business. And you gotta mind your business by keeping your light shining